everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating for Halloween here in my entryway and front porch, and we are diving right away into the decorating here with this table next to our entryway bench. I placed back this basket that I had out for fall with some wildflower stems from Michael's in it, and then I added a metal lantern from Home Goods with a jack-o'-lantern face, and finally to finish it off I placed down a white pumpkin and a candy corn pillow from the Target dollar spot on the bench itself. Now I am leaving this fall market sign here above the entry hooks, but I did have some extra bat decals from last year, and so I decided to use them here above the sign. I kind of wanted to make it look like they were flying away up into the ceiling. I think it would have looked better if I had more sizes left over, but I made do with what I had. The whole point was that I didn't have to buy new ones, and I am pretty happy with how it turned out, all things considered. My oldest son called them migrating bats, so I think I got the effect across. Now we don't have a coat closet in our home, so these hooks are definitely functional for us. So of course I have to put up all of our coats and jackets back up now that I've decorated everything. The fall rainy weather typical of the Pacific Northwest has started, so we are using these all of the time right now. Here on the entryway table, I placed a bud vase from Target with some orange eucalyptus picks from Hobby Lobby. I love these picks for Halloween because they have such a saturated orange color that I think goes so well with the traditional Halloween colors. I then added a black and white pumpkin from Joann's a few years ago and a white jack-o'-lantern candle holder from Michael's 2 years ago. Next to it on the table, I added back this book and my bowl from Walmart, and instead of the fuzzy pumpkins in the brown and neutral colors that I had for fall, I added in some white pumpkins from Hobby Lobby and some black velvet ones from Joann's. Metal hanging basket, I decided to continue to use these cream colored bunny tail picks from Hobby Lobby, but I did add in an orange pick from Michael's just to add a little bit more color to the space. To finish off this entry table area, I added in some of the fake spider web that I used in my living room. I love how it helps tie both spaces together, and while I'm doing that, I want to take some time here as well to thank you so much for spending time with me today and watching this video. I so appreciate it, and I hope that you're getting tons of Halloween decorating inspiration. If you are looking for lots of seasonal and home decorating ideas, then you are in the right place. So be sure to subscribe to the channel for more. This is my last video for Halloween, and I will be diving into all things Christmas next. And I can't wait to share all of my decor finds and plans for this coming holiday season with you. Here on the front porch, I only made a few changes. I started off by turning around my double-sided porch leaner to the Halloween side, and then I changed out the layering rug under my doormat to a black and white buffalo check, just to bring in some more traditional Halloween colors. I wanted to add a cute haunted farmhouse sign from at home that I got last year here on the porch, so I took away the orange and white pumpkins and kind of rearranged everything to make some room. Now my white mum is nearing the end of its lifespan, I think, so I'll probably have to replace it soon, but it's fine for now. And then I added some stacked pumpkins that I DIY'd using some paint and some trick-or-treat jack-o'-lantern buckets from Walmart. I took off the handles from the buckets, painted them a black and orange color, and then used a hot glue gun to kind of glue them together. I did also add some sand in the bottom one before I glued the top one on, just to make sure that it was stable enough and it wouldn't fly away. We get a lot of wind here. And for some reason, I didn't get the footage for it, but I did add some skeleton feet yard stakes into my white mum as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video and got lots of Halloween home decorating inspiration for your porch and entryway. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It really does so much to help support my channel. I am looking forward to seeing you in my next video as I start on Christmas. Bye for now.